Welcome to the IQ Center, your all-in-one platform for education, market insights, live sessions, and trading resources. Simply log in with your personal account details to access your full dashboard. Inside the IQ Academy, you'll find a wide range of educational content, live sessions, trading resources, and platform tools designed to support your learning experience. You'll get access to our Fast Start training, IQ live sessions, educational strategy content, and our IQ social platforms, where you can follow different educators and stay connected with the community. Within the live activity feed, you can view market updates, educational trade breakdowns, and insights shared by our educators in real time. The Academy also includes step-by-step tutorials and structured courses covering Forex, crypto, and digital marketing topics. In addition, you'll have access to educational blueprints, trading concepts, and practical learning materials designed to help you better understand the markets and online business strategies. You can also join our live sessions, where educators share market analysis, educational insights, and answer questions live on screen. All upcoming sessions can be found directly inside the integrated calendar, including London session, New York session, and Asia session coverage. You'll also find a full overview of our educators, allowing you to save your favorites and easily follow their content and updates. Once you've explored the Academy, you can continue into our strategy section, where different educational trading strategies and frameworks are available to study and explore based on your personal interests and trading style. Another key feature is the IQ social platform. Educators regularly share market commentary, chart analysis, ideas, and educational updates to help keep the community informed. This was your quick overview of the IQ Center. Now it's your turn to explore the platform, go through the Academy, and start learning at your own pace.